Just a look at. Graphics and more pooping. Please come back later. Plastic doorknob hanger signed by Graphics and More. Cost $6.99. Purchased on Amazon. Made of a durable thick plastic 3.5, 8.9 centimeters, x 9.5, 24 centimeters, in size. Design shown. Printed on one side with UV and water resistant inks. Can be used indoor or outdoor. Hole is universal sized and will work with all standard doorknobs. Product description: your room is your sanctuary. So mark your territory with one of these handy door hangers from the creative minds here at Graphics and More. Impossible to overlook, the colorful design will deliver your message clearly to passersby. Whether you're trying to keep intruders out or invite visitors inside, this unique product will ensure that all who enter know exactly what to expect on the other side of the door. Made of a 3.5 x 9.5 durable thick plastic and printed on one side with UV and water resistant inks, these hangers will hold up well to either indoor or outdoor use. The hole is a universal size, large enough for use with all standard doorknobs. Product information: product dimensions 9.5 x 3.5 x 0.1 inches. Item weight 0.81 ounces. Manufacturer Graphics and More. ASIN B01E96U6C2.